How to solve MadOut 2 network connection problem. So if you want to solve MadOut 2 network connection problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have MadOut 2 application. So once you have the application, what you need to do is tap and hold on to the application, go with the app info. Now once you're on the app info, you need to tap on force stop, which will be here on the right side, and force stop the application. It might fix your problem, but if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go and select the storage and cache, and then select clear cache and clear all of the cache. Once you cleared your cache, the next step you need to do is open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search you need to search for MadOut 2. And if you have any updates under your application, you need to just go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then check your network connection. If you're using your Wi-Fi, you can switch to your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, you can switch to your Wi-Fi. After that, go and restart your device, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can solve MadOut 2 network connection problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.